The birthday list begins with Reese Moreland, all dressed up for her birthday party right there. Reese turning 6 years old with love from Grandma, Grandpa, and the family. Happy birthday, big girl. She's in Nevada.
Aw, what a pretty dress. Love it. Brooklyn Thompson, welcome to the teenage years in Oswego with love from Mom, Dad, Bradley, Brendan, and the rest of the family.
In Humboldt, we've got a golden birthday and a sweet 16 for Rylan Covey. Rylan, I want you to have a marvelous 16th birthday. She's in Humboldt.
All right, that's a lovely picture. Love it. And we've got Donald Richardson celebrating the big 6-0 today. Love that cake. Love the balloons behind you, too. Donald is in Oswego.
Get up now. That's a get up. Tell you what, we'll just make the Oswego Chatopa run. And because we got birthday parties abound in that area, including Jessie Henry, who's got his hands full right there. Got a jockey in training that Jessie's working on. Jessie, happy 63rd birthday in Chatopa.
Oh, what a cutie there, too. All right, happy birthday, Jessie. And a happy birthday to William Haynes, who's celebrating birthday number 63. A little throwback pic there. Happy birthday from Josie, Chris, Serena, and Danielle. William is in Chinook.
Back to Chatopa for Miss Connie Miller. Happy 67th birthday to Connie.
Right. And Rowe Persons celebrating in McCune. Rowe is turning 68 today.
We've got an 80th birthday celebration for Richard Ewen. Like took in a little Girard High School football right there. Richard, happy birthday.
All right. And Dale Flanagan celebrating birthday number 82 this year. Looking great there, Dale, in Jasper, Missouri.
Dale Flanagan, Marilyn Henry. Oh, I remember this because of the picture. Because we had a note here. During quarantine, Marilyn had a show called Mimi's House. You remember this, Tanya?
I do.
Where she did arts and crafts, and we had kids that couldn't make it to the classroom. They had to bide their time doing so. And Marilyn started this. I think it was Marilyn, forgive me if it wasn't on YouTube. I thought if I remember, I was on YouTube, and she did a show called Mimi's House where she put together arts and crafts for the kiddos, and they could follow along with her while she did her show. Marilyn, I hope you were able to keep it going because I know it was such a success and such a marvelous brainchild of yours, and a very happy birthday to you, ma'am.
You know it would be fun if we had Marilyn come on and make crafts with us.
Sure.
That'd be really cool. If you're interested, give us a holler, Marilyn. We'd love to do it. Mimi's House could move in studio. Like it. All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Florence Kammerer turning 97 years old in Neoda Shea. And we are told that Miss Florence still lives by herself and still drives as well.
Kim Crane, a happy birthday to Miss Kim in Columbus. And Ty and Karen Norman. Just yesterday, they celebrated their 15th anniversary. Congratulations to Ty and Karen in Frontenac. A happy birthday and happy anniversary.